Hi friends, today I am here with you on another episode of midwifery topic, that is gametogenesis. So in the first video I have described about the anatomy and physiology of female reproductive system. So I have a plan to take this series of videos according to the syllabus wise. So this will be useful for you to catch the content very easily. Okay, so today we start with our gametogenesis. Gametogenesis is the process of division of haploid cells to form a new diploid cells. In human, there are two types of gametes. The male gametes is called sperm, whereas the female gametes is called ovum. So, as I said to you, the gametogenesis, according to the sex wise, it can be divided into two. Spermatogenesis is called the formation of sperm, and the oogenesis is called the formation of ovum. Spermatogenesis is the process of formation of haploid sperm from a diploid stem cell called spermatogonium, which takes place inside the seminiferous tubule in testis. The entire process of spermatogenesis takes place around 70 days. Oogenesis is the process of formation of ovum, takes place inside the ovaries of the female. One oogonium produces only one ovum. So next, we can see much more detail about these two processes. Spermatogenesis and oogenesis are the reproductive phases that include the following: multiplication, growth, maturation, and differentiation. The spermatogonium and oogonium multiply by mitosis to form spermatocytes and oocytes. The spermatocytes eventually lead to the formation of spermatids, and it contains only half of the genetic material present in the original primary spermatocyte as a result of meiosis, whereas oocytes undergo mitosis and maturation to form ootid that further differentiated to form ovum. Now I will explain how the spermatogenesis occur in male. In the male, immature germ cells are produced in the testis. At puberty, in males, these immature germ cells or spermatogonia are converted into sperms by the process of spermatogenesis. Spermatogonia are diploid cells that undergo mitotic division and their number increases. Primary spermatocytes undergo meiosis and produce haploid cells that is called secondary spermatocytes. These secondary spermatocytes undergo the second meiotic division to produce immature sperms or spermatids. These spermatids undergo spermiogenesis to transform into sperm. Various hormones like gonadotrophin releasing hormone, luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, and androgens are involved in stimulating spermatogenesis. In females, the oogonia are converted to the mature ovum. This process is called oogenesis. In the female ovary, millions of oogonia or mother cells are formed during fetal development. These mother cells undergo the meiotic cell division. The meiotic cell division rests at the prophase 1 and lead to the production of primary oocytes. These primary oocytes are embedded within the primary follicle on the outer layer. The primary follicles get surrounded by more granulosa cell layer and forms secondary follicles. These secondary follicles then turn into the tertiary follicles. At the stage of female puberty, the primary oocytes present in the tertiary follicles complete meiosis and form secondary oocyte, which is haploid in number, and the polar body by unequal division. The tertiary follicles undergo some structural and functional changes and produces mature graphene follicles. These secondary oocytes again undergo second meiotic division to form an ovum. Ovum is released from the Graafian follicle during the menstrual cycle. The release of ovum from the Graafian follicle is called ovulation. Ovulation is controlled by the female reproductive hormone which is stimulated by the pituitary gland. This is the end of this video. I hope you all understood about these two processes, spermatogenesis and oogenesis. So I hope I explained this two content in a simplest form. So next time we will see with another topic, menstrual cycle. So till that, take care. Bye bye.